Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Goodnotes not syncing across devices in 2026. Are your notes not syncing across devices in Goodnotes? Don't worry, this is a common issue. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, just by searching for the Goodnotes. You can alternatively download it from the Goodnotes website, as you can see here. You can download this for your Windows or your Mac, or use the web version of Goodnotes. Now, once you set up your account in Goodnotes by connecting your account, the first thing you want to make sure of is you're signed into the same account on all devices. You're going to click on your gear icon here, and you're going to see your account here. You're going to click on your account and click on manage accounts. Here you're going to see the accounts you're logged into. So you're gonna make sure you're signed into the same account on all devices. After that, you're gonna check that the sync, like iCloud, is enabled in the settings. You're gonna go here and you're gonna go to the settings like this, and then go to preferences and then click on document settings. And here you're gonna see a lot of documents here. You're gonna go alternatively and go back here and go to the integration, where you're gonna see the cloud storage. As you can see, it says import from cloud storage. Make sure the cloud storage is connected. And also restart the app on all devices. And if needed, log out and log back in and update the app to the latest version by going back to the Play Store or App Store and checking if an update is available. Sync issues are usually easy to fix with a few checks. So follow these steps and your notes will sync again in no time. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.